What if reality doesn't fully exist until you notice it? In quantum physics, this is called the observer effect. The double-slit experiment shows that particles live in a haze of quantum possibilities until they're observed and measured with certain devices, and in that act of observation, they collapse into a definite outcome. Now here's where things get interesting. Your brain itself is a measuring device. Every photon of light your eyes receive, every sound wave your ears detect, every sensation on your skin, these are measurements of the universe. But unlike a camera or a machine, your brain doesn't just record data, it interprets it, gives it meaning, and transforms it into lived experience. That means the final collapse of uncertainty into reality happens inside of you, not outside. Reality, in other words, is shaped by the very act of being observed. This gives you enormous power, because the same brain that registers the present can also simulate the future through imagination. Neuroscience shows that when you vividly imagine something, your brain activates many of the same neural circuits as if you were actually experiencing it, which means imagination is not a passive dream. It's a rehearsal of possibilities, a way of holding potential realities in superposition until your focus, your actions, and your persistence collapse them into existence. The principle is simple but profound. What you consistently observe within yourself sets the stage for what you eventually experience outside yourself. If your mind is full of doubt, fear, or limitation, those are the versions of reality you collapse into. But if you train your focus on vision, opportunity, and growth, then over time, those are the probabilities that become your lived reality. So the question is, what possibilities are you holding in your imagination right now? And which ones are you ready to collapse into being? Because your attention isn't just noticing reality, it's shaping it.